Akanksha, we believe that along with cognitive development, social emotional development is also very important. That is the reason all these years we have made sure that there are spaces for students to develop their social emotional skills. C learning curriculum was launched in 2019, and that is the time when we were looking for a robust curriculum to be introduced in these spaces and make these spaces stronger for our students and teachers. So C practices are quite simple. It is based on resilience approach. Resilience means ability to bounce back. We have many events and situations in which we get thrown off of our normal self. These situations or events can lead to low or high energy. It could be feeling hurt, it could be feeling angry or upset, and that then affects our ability to have normal functioning and normal self, and it affects our mental well-being, emotional well-being, as well as physical well-being. So C practices allow you to first build that awareness for yourself. Just like a scan, you would scan your body to see what is happening, what are the sensations, and once you realize that the sensations are real, that you have that right now as an experience, it then leads you to understand what might be causing them. Once you understand what might be causing them, there is a motivation to do something about it. And that motivation to do something about it leads to regulation, which then ultimately helps you to be aware, to accept it, and to do something about it. And that is what the C practices help you do. Many of our students are now expressing that they're able to have better self awareness, some part of regulation, and also are able to take the pause before reaction. Even our teachers are expressing that there is more self compassion, and they are also able to regulate themselves as well as accept the situation and face the challenges better than before. At Akanksha, we've been following these practices regularly. Initially, we got our teachers trained in the curriculum. Once that was done, they were given resources that can be implemented in the classroom. Even in the virtual space, for 1 year, the teachers have been either through synchronous classes or asynchronous classes sending these resources to the students. After about now 1 year, we are seeing a lot of our educators are practicing these regularly for themselves, and it is becoming part of our classrooms on a regular basis. So this shift has brought in the community together. It has become more stronger, and we're able to support each other through these tough times.